Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve digital strategy with Gartner, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding digital strategy is essential for modern businesses. Gartner is a leading research and advisory company that offers valuable insights. Start by familiarizing yourself with Gartner's research. Access their extensive library of reports and case studies. Identify key trends that align with your business objectives. Next, conduct a SWOT analysis of your current digital strategy. Evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Utilize Gartner's tools and frameworks for benchmarking your performance. Engage with Gartner's digital strategy workshops or seminars. Network with industry peers to gain diverse perspectives. Gather data on customer behavior and preferences using analytics tools. Use Gartner's recommendations to guide your decision-making process. Develop a clear digital roadmap based on your findings. Include specific goals and milestones for your digital initiatives. Implement agile methodologies to adapt quickly to changes. Regularly review and adjust your strategy based on performance metrics. Leverage Gartner's insights to explore new technologies and innovations. Stay updated on market shifts and emerging competitors. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within your team. Encourage collaboration across departments to enhance digital initiatives. Document your progress and revisit your strategy regularly. Utilize Gartner's resources to stay informed on best practices. By following these steps, you'll enhance your digital strategy effectively with Gartner's expertise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.